Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine. In the previous session, we have completed the portions for second semester. That is, we have completed chapters 4, 5, 6 and 11. Students, did you get the notice regarding copy correction? You should submit the classwork copies of the subjects mentioned in the notice at school on 8th October. Students, have you completed the notes of General Science? Since we have completed our second semester portion, you have to complete the notes of chapter 4, 5, 6 and 11. I hope you have already completed your notes. If you have not yet completed, you should complete it because you will get 5 marks as internal assessment in your second semester exam. So in today's and tomorrow's session, I will tell you what to write in your classwork copy from each chapter. So watch today's and tomorrow's videos carefully. Today I will discuss about chapter 4 and 5. Let's start with the chapter 4. Chapter 4, Animals, Common Insects. From this chapter, you should draw 2 pictures in your classwork copy. First picture is body parts of an insect and second picture is life cycle of a butterfly. You should draw these 2 pictures neatly, label the parts and color it. Also, you should write the subjective type questions in your classwork copy. That is, answer the following questions in short and answer the following questions in detail. The answer of these questions were given in the 6th session of chapter 4, that is on 28th August. Now I will read the questions and answers for you. Answer the following questions in short. First question, name the different parts of an insect's body. The different parts of an insect's body are head, thorax, abdomen. Now, second question. How many legs do insects have? Insects have 3 pairs of legs. Third question is, where do we find ants in our surroundings? We find ants in the kitchen, on plants, and where some foods has been dropped. Now, fourth question. List any 3 diseases caused by mosquito bite. 3 diseases caused by mosquito bite are malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. Now, fifth question. Write 2 preventive measures to get rid of insects. 2 preventive measures are: use insect repellent on exposed skin, wear shoes when outdoors. Now answer the following questions in detail. First question, write the names of 4 harmful insects and also write how are they harmful for human beings. First one, mosquitoes. They bite humans to suck blood. Second one, termites. They destroy wooden furniture and books. Third one, silverfish. They destroy clothes. Fourth one, housefly. They spoil the food. Now, second question. Write some remedies for insect bites. Some remedies for insect bites are: we should wash the sting or bite area with a mild soap and water. We can apply ice packs wrapped in a towel on the affected area. We can use calamine lotion. Now, third question. Explain the life cycle of a butterfly with the help of a diagram. A butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. First stage is eggs. A female butterfly lays her eggs on leaves. Second stage is caterpillar. Once out from its egg, a caterpillar starts eating leaves. Third stage is pupa. The caterpillar changes itself into a pupa. And last stage is adult butterfly. The pupa turns into an adult butterfly with colorful wings. This is the diagram of life cycle of a butterfly. So from this chapter you should do 2 picture based questions and subjective type questions in your classwork copy. Now we will move to chapter 5, plants in the surroundings. From this chapter you should do subjective type question and 2 picture based questions in your classwork copy. Let's look at the subjective type questions first. Answer the following questions in short. First question is, what is the role of the roots in plants? Root fix a plant firmly in the soil and also help the plant to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Second question is, write the names of the different parts of a shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem, branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. Now third question. Name the components required by leaves for making food. Answer is carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Fourth question is, write down any 2 uses of flowers. Answer is, flowers help the plant to reproduce. Some flowers store food and are used as vegetables. Fifth question is, what are stomata? Stomata are tiny holes on the underside of the leaf blade. Next one, answer the following questions in detail. First question is, write the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Answer is, taproot is a large thick root that grows straight down from a plant to collect water and minerals deep in the soil. It has small roots branching out of it. Fibrous root is composed of a bunch of small branching roots that grow outward from the plant. They do not go deep into the soil. Second question is, write one similarity and one difference in climbers and creepers. Similarity is, climbers and creepers have weak stem. Difference is, climbers are plants that need some support to grow upright, but creepers are plants that creep along the ground as they grow. Third question is, what is germination? The process of growth of a seedling from a seed is called germination. Now, fourth question. Explain the structure of a seed. Seed has an outer covering called seed coat that protects the seed. It is hard. The seed has a baby plant in it. The seed leaves or cotyledons provide food for the baby plant. I hope you have written this in your classwork copy. These question answers were given in the 6th session of chapter 5, that is on 11th September. You should also do 2 picture based questions, that is parts of a leaf and parts of a plant. You should draw the diagrams neatly, label it properly and color it. If you have not completed the notes of these two chapters. Complete it today itself. Tomorrow we will discuss the notes of chapters 6 and 11. So children, see you tomorrow. Till then, bye. Thank you.